say something. You're gonna. This is your first. What do you call that?
Driving.
On your own. So I forgot. There's a term for that when I'm solo. First solo. So you're gonna be Alaina's first solo. Lower the.
What? What do you mean the window?
Yeah, well, you can hear me if I have to yell at you.
Okay.
I'm your passenger. You're gonna have to pick me up.
Don't keep
Yeah. Just put there in the middle. Don't try any trail, any obstacles. Oh, I can't believe I let her drive off with a Bronco. Good job. Look at that. I'm gonna have my designated driver soon. Nice. Good job. You want to try again? Alright, keep going. Good job on stopping for that car. So you're paying attention. In the water, okay? There, around on the other side. All right. All right, ready to drive the back out now? You got it. There you go. Trying to go fast. All right, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow. There you go. No, stay here. Keep going. Keep going slow. Keep going slow. Nice. Good for not panicking. Right there. See, you're freewheeling again. I need your brake. There you go. I need to feel the brake. There you go. Don't just freewheel. There you go. Like feel it right there. There you go. Well, you can go a little bit farther. Just don't freewheel it. Okay. There's gonna be a bunch of turn. Ready your wheels.
Ready your wheels.
Yeah, really not that much. All right. All right. It's gonna be fast over there. I'll do it.
Okay, I'm not doing that.
Okay. Work. Okay, you're not done.
Okay, and then
You. Did the engine die? Oh, because of this. Alright. Okay, now put it on the part.
how do I do that?
Press and then up. There's like
Oh,
a button right here.
Oh, that's. Huh? Oh, right here.
Okay. That's park.
Park.
Okay.
Oh.
Then you let go. There you go. And then one other thing. There's that thing.
That's this.
Park.
This?
Pull it down. No, not that one. One above. Right there.
Yeah.
You can pull it down like this.
You can? Oh.
There you go. Here.
Brake.
Yeah.
Hard brake on.
Yeah.
Ah, that was cool.
Good job.
Yay! I don't know about getting a. I don't know about getting a driver's license now.
Getting what?
Driver's license.
Ah, you can. You're not qualified.
I know.
But you can do.
When I'm 16.
You can do trails. Imagine you rock crawling.